Hola amigos y amigas, I'm Leila, also known as Miss Bohemia. I'm talking fast because I'm feeling because I've had a very long wash day late in the day. And so I want to get things moving along. But it's time for the styler. And today I'm hopping back in with Soultanicals with the Bushwick Slick Mold Hold from the CEO birthday box, the contents of which you can view in this video here. I can't wait to try this. So we're jumping right in. Ooh man, this is very jelly-like. Wow, look at this. So I'm grabbing some. I'm gonna grab a good amount. Oh my god, I think I got a lot. Ooh. So it has good slip going on the hands. It has a tacky tackiness to it. Texture, tacky, I don't know, but it's tacky. So I'm gonna flip over because it's the easiest way to apply it to my hair. So I kind of pat it in and now I scrunch it in. Feels really good. Went on the hair beautifully. I'm gonna have amazing hold. Oh my god, I can totally feel it. And I'm just gonna scrunch some extra in. Not sure I need to add any more, but it's wash day. Can't wait to try this product. Can't wait to see the finished result and keep my day moving along. This sound is heaven, heaven, because I know my hair is moisturized and happy, and now it's gonna have incredible hold. The curl clumps that are forming are just perfect, so hopefully the results will be amazing. So I'm gonna add my heat protector, diffuse, and the verdict is, look at me, I look amazing. Let me turn around because I'm about to forget. Look at that, look at that. I am in heaven. Look at how happy my curls are all over my head. You have to see it again. This is incredible. I have been using a lot of creams recently, styling creams, and I totally spaced on how much my hair just loves Soultanicals gels. I mean, honestly, I think moving forward, I am just sticking to Soultanicals gels and I'm not buying styling creams anymore. Because look, I get the coils and I get the volume. Win, 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 win. And my hair feels so soft to the touch. This has been an incredible finish to a very long wash day, but it was well worth it. The Bushwick Slick Mold Hold is yet another dream come true by Soultanicals. I'm going to see how I do throughout the wash cycle. I have a good feeling. It feels very light, very fluffy. I went in with a lot and my hair feels incredible. It's not weighed down. It feels so soft to the touch. So bouncy. This is a win. So I'm sure it'll hold up great, but let's check back in whenever that may be, however many days from now. And the verdict is, I'm back in my PJs. Looking busted in my bathrobe. I don't have it in me to do my makeup and dress up and set up my background and do the lights and blah blah blah, and I have to wash my hair tomorrow. Normally I could put things off by a day until like I have it in me, so like I'd be like, okay, I won't wash my hair tomorrow and I'll do the makeup and I'll do the whole production to cap up the video properly and wash my hair the day after. But I'm kind of on a deadline. So today's what day? Today's a Tuesday, and next week on Wednesday I travel to Georgia for a skate thing and I'm gone for about a week. And so tomorrow's Wednesday. I want to take a shower Wednesday so that the next time I take a shower is the day before I travel, Tuesday. So I have to plan things like that, you know, so it's just the logistics. So that's why it's messy. I love the hair. It has some frizz because it's evening and I fell asleep on it on the couch. In the morning it looked bomb. Boom. But it's nice and big and bouncy and I'm loving it, and it feels so good. It feels so soft in spite of the fact that it looks crazy and frizzy right now. Bushwick Slick Mold Hold. Yes, I like it a lot. I really do well with the Soultanical gels. The scent is so good. Honestly, I didn't sniff it all week. So it's not like it stands out, but like if you like stick your nose in there, it is I really like the scent. When I put it on my hair's dry, it feels great. When I wet my hair to refresh the next day, it has a little bit of a drier vibe to the hair. It's a great product. It does great hold. I applied very conservatively because I really didn't need too much. So a little will go a long way. This will last you a long time because remember, I overuse all my products. So if you're normal and you know how to properly use your products, you won't be using too much of this one. It's really good. I highly recommend it. I mean, I recommend everything Soultanicals, but this one is perfect. The scent, the packaging, the use, the everything. thumbs up. It was a beautiful, beautiful gel and a beautiful experience. And I will continue to use it. I have to go to Georgia next week. So I'm going to take cream and gel. And this is going to be the gel I'm going to take. I trust it. I don't know how my hair is going to behave in Georgia. But I feel that if I take a good little variety of Soultanicals products with me, it'll do well. And this one is going to be there for me. I got to cut it short. I'm tired. But thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate your hanging in there with me. If you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And I hope to see you in my next one. Ciao for now.